Right, so today I'm going to show you how to update the firmware of your Nothing Headphone 1. So these headphones, once you've set them up, connected them to your phone, and then you've also set up the Nothing X app, just open up your headphone ones and then scroll down to About, tap on that, and then if there's a firmware update available, you will see it at the top of that page. So you can tap on that, and then it's gonna check. And then if there's an update available, it will give you this option to update. So just tap on Update, and then the phone will download and send the updates to the headphones via Bluetooth. So just be patient and allow that process to happen. Also, you can see what this firmware update does. So it's going to optimize the volume balance and also refine transparency mode. Okay, so let's just wait for that. So once it's done, it will let you know. So all you have to do now is tap on confirm, and there you go. So now when you tap here, you can see it says the headphones are up to date. Okay, and you can tap on that to check again, and it tells you your Nothing headphone is up to date. And you can also see the firmware version right there. Thanks for watching and good luck.